It's Wednesday evening, and that means we're solder festing. Are you guys festing? Are you solder festing?
We're solder festing.
You're festooning with solder?
We're desoldering fest.
Yes.
What are you guys working on exactly?
We're working on a 2GS power supply.
Yeah?
We're trying to get one of the two to work.
Yeah?
By changing parts.
Very cool.
By soldering parts from one to the other.
Survive the desoldering process.
Well, that's always nice.
So you know we'll put it in.
So yeah, we're just
Very
gonna put
cool.
it on this one. That one, yeah.
So, recapping 2GS power supplies. Very cool, very cool. How are things?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing just fine. What are you working on, sir?
This is an Apple II.
Yeah. Are you removing the sockets?
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because
Very cool. So what's this tool you're using?
This is a desoldering iron.
Yeah. It's a Hako, I can tell by the colors, right?
FR301, and it's electric vacuum powered.
Very
and
nice.
it makes removing the solder very easy.
Absolutely. So plus it makes a very pleasant mooing sound, right? And this one.
Okay.
So yeah.
So what's left, I guess?
Oh gosh.
Well, there's corrosion in this slot.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not like
Yeah.
holding something from working.
Oh, you know that's absolutely the case. That the
Oh, there's corrosion there.
There's corrosion here. The battery had leaked and had damaged something.
yeah, because
Yeah, what you working on?
This is a very early Apple II. It doesn't even have the AutoStart ROM in it. It's integer ROMs, and I think one of the RAM chips is bad, so I have to do one by one. And we know I have one working day.
Yeah.
I have to test every chip to see if it boots into integer basic.
Wow.
Which it doesn't even boot into integer basic. You have to do Control B enter return to get it into integer basic.
And this is a 2 plus.
No, this is a 2.
Oh, just a straight 2.
This is a straight.
Wow.
No, this is a 4-digit serial number 9919. The pan. So the serial number pan. The board number would put it in November of '78, and the keyboard is stamped November of '78. So
Oh
the
my
board,
gosh.
the pan, and the keyboard match. And then I was lucky enough to find a toggle switch power supply at Kansasfest last year. And so it's basically probably going to be about as stock as I can get it.
That's awesome.
So this is my pretty baby.
You don't want to
Images.
That's how that key gets like buzzing or clicking or something. Obviously, on a little tiny tube like this with low voltage, it's not going to be a problem. Larger set, sure.
But you can just unhook that, clean this all up, and stick it back.
Did you get the upgrade EEPROM that I had out there in brown envelopes? Yeah, there were 15 of them. It's a very rare memory board. The one I sold was 1 megabyte. And I think I probably sold it for $75.
That's it. Lots of people working on lots of different projects at various levels of success, but sometimes that happens. So anyway, that is it for today from the Kansas Fest, and I'll see you tomorrow.